In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem if Save a Copy is missing in Photoshop, and you also can't see JPG, PNG, or BMP in the file type options. This usually happens when your image is set to 32 bits channel. To fix it, open your image in Photoshop. Then go to the top menu and click Image. After that, move to Mode. Here, check if your image is set to 32 bits channel. If it is, change it to 16 bits channel or 8 bits channel. Most of the time, 8 bits channel is the best option if you want to save the file as JPG. Once you change it, go back to File, then click Save As or Save a Copy. Now you should see the missing image formats again. That's it. This is how you can fix Photoshop when Save a Copy is not available and some image format options are missing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.